Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Blaupunkt rechargeable portable fan. So I kept seeing this on Amazon on the deals pages, and I think it was about £20 or something like that. So yeah, Blaupunkt's a known brand, so that's what I thought. Why not? Let me try out. So I've gone ahead and bought it. So it's a 2-in-1 design, so you can have it flat, like sat on its own, or you can hold it in your hand. It's got a rechargeable battery, 3-speed settings, and it's lightweight. It runs for 4 hours. I hope that's in the fastest setting, because that's not a very long run time, to be honest, because my Chinese ones run for hours and hours and hours, probably the whole day. So yeah, packaging is pretty minimalistic. There you go. Okay, it's got USB-C charging port at least, with a cable. Input is 5 volts and 0.8 amps, so it's a slow charger. Oh yeah, the battery capacity is only 1200 milliamps. That's probably why it's so slow. This is from B&M apparently. You can buy this in B&M. Interesting. But yeah, it was on Amazon, but I can't seem to find it again. So I'm guessing they were just getting rid of all the stock, and they've done that. There you go. Let's go ahead and open this now. Oh yeah, it is from B&M, £8. So on Amazon it was overpriced on Amazon. But B&M's a discount store anyway. You get it for everything discounted. It does look pretty nice. There's your stand. Pretty sturdy. Doesn't have any charge at the moment. Okay, got your USB-C cable there. Might plug this in for a second. What the hell's that? It looks like a bloody light. It might be a light. There's your charging port. Yeah, I'll put it on charge for a minute or two, or we'll plug in while it's charging. I don't know, we'll see. Then plug in, guys. Now guys, we're charging on the power bank right now. Let's try switch on. Oh, I don't think you can use it while it's charging. How do you think it was enough charge for 1 second to turn it on? Nope. That's shit, isn't it? So yeah, this one you'll have to leave on charge for a while before testing out, so I guess I have to. There's not much else I can do right now. Just has to charge. It's got a nice light there. There's your safety instructions. New charging safety. Using your portable guarantee 1. Let's put it in the holder. Wow, that's very crooked. The weight of it just puts it a bit slanted. But yeah, it is what it is. Their guarantee as well. Don't know how long for though. I have no idea. Oh yeah, so it tells you the house speed. Bloody hell, that's shit then. So the lowest speed 4 hours you only get out of it. That is really bad. And it takes 3 hours to charge. That is very bad. The max speed of the fan is 2 hours you get. So I used to use my Chinese fans at max speed all day long. That tells you the difference between a branded one and bloody Chinese ones. Chinese are superior. Wow. It's like buying an Apple phone. You're buying the brand. This is you're buying the brand. There's nothing actually good about this one, apart from how it looks. But then again, other fans look good as well anyway. So there's no real purpose to buying this. You can buy a Chinese one for better price, better, last longer, you know what I mean. It's just useless. Come on. No. Yeah, I just have to leave it on charge, but yeah. You know how a fan works anyway. So I'll leave it as is. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Good night. Alright guys. So after it was fully charged, it went green. I was thinking, why is it not working? Then I realized you have to hold it to make it work. Look. So to turn it on, you have to hold it. So that's the lowest speed. It's quite powerful, but it's a bit loud. Medium speed, top speed, There's only 3 settings anyway. And yeah, it's a bit loud, isn't it? Yeah, that's the lowest speed again.